Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling how to use cashback on credit card in 2025. If you're new here, I'm your go-to guide for smart financial tips. Cashback rewards are a fantastic way to earn money just by spending, but many people don't know how to make the most of them. Let's dive in. First off, what is cashback? It's simple. Your credit card gives you a percentage of your purchases back as cash. For example, if you have a card offering 1.5% cashback, you'll get $1.50 back for every $100 spent. In 2025, with rising inflation, these rewards are more valuable than ever, so let's make sure you're maximizing them. Step 1. Choose the right card. Look for ones with high cashback rates in your biggest spending categories, like groceries, gas, or online shopping. Many cards now offer rotating categories or bonuses, so check your issuer's app for the latest deals. Next, earn your cashback by using your card for everyday purchases. Remember, you only earn on eligible transactions, so avoid cash advances or balance transfers. Aim to pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest that could wipe out your rewards. Now, the fun part, redeeming your cashback. Most cards let you apply it as a statement credit to lower your bill, deposit it directly into your bank account, or even get it as a check. In 2025, watch for new digital options like instant transfers via apps or integration with services like PayPal. Pro tip. Some cards let you redeem for gift cards at a higher value, so compare options. One common mistake? Forgetting to track your rewards. Set up alerts on your card's app to monitor earnings and redemption deadlines. Also, be aware of any annual fees. Ensure your cashback exceeds them. Wrapping up, using cashback effectively can put extra money in your pocket. Start by reviewing your current card and exploring 2025's best offers. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance hacks. Thanks for watching. See you next time.